Hello audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 22 and the first one is denigrates. So its meaning is criticize unfairly. Next one belittle. So to describe someone as little as unimportant, trivial. Next one juvenile. So its meaning is child, youth, immature, young. Next one demotion. So its meaning is degrade, downgrade. Next one punitive. So intended to punish someone or something. Next one diktat, an order that must be followed, just like in military. Next one legitimate. So legitimate meaning is official, fair, reasonable, acceptable. Next one barrage. So its meaning is bombardment. Barrage is also used in dams, canal like that. Next one acquittals. So the act of deciding that a person is not guilty of crimes. Next one compoundability. So offenses are those actually compoundability offenses are those where the complainant enter into compromise and agree to have charge dropped against the accused. Next one pondering. So gratify. Next one oral. So something which is heard through senses and that is hearing. Next one civic. So something related to citizenship. Next one felicitation, expression of pleasure at the success or good fortune of another. Next one dreaded. So horrendous, fearsome, horrific, terrible, displeasing, alarming. Next one anxiously, nervous, perturbed, tense, upset, uneasy. Next one zealots. So its meaning is true believer, red heart. Next one custom. So it is basically related to taxes or fees. Next one endeavored. So to experience pain or suffering for a long time. Next one illicit. So unlawful, illegal, criminal, wrongful, disarming. So its meaning is demilitarize, unarmed. Next one disguise, camouflage, mask. Next one legacy. So its meaning is heritage or inheritance. Next one hill, to express anger, annoyance. Next one adversary. So its meaning is enemy, opponent. And the last one is regiment. So a military unit that is usually made of several large group of soldiers. So it's all for today and thanks for watching Dawn Times. Please stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Good wishes.